Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually start about to understand something that is really to be satisfied with exporting animation. So what you're gonna start to see guys is really to be dependable on something that we can start to see right here. So what we're gonna start to do is really to be satisfied with situation that is really about to be doing on that. So really what we're gonna see is about to create and using smart animation. So really this is really very important guys to deal with it, about to start with this plugin, because whenever we click on doing this plugin and we can see the smart plugin animation is really not like that. Was we can start Figmont, Figmotion, Figmotion or Anima to export it. And then starting once you can finish that kind of a animation, you can click on export or save local copy if you wanted to have a copy.